Introduction to Robotics. In the Introduction to Robotics course, students will embark on a thrilling journey into the world of robotics. They will explore the fundamentals of this exciting field, gaining a comprehensive understanding of its history, applications, and various branches. 1. History of Robotics. The history of robotics is a fascinating journey that spans centuries of human ingenuity and technological advancements. Here is an overview of the significant milestones and breakthroughs in the history of robotics. Ancient times. 1. The concept of automatons and mechanical devices can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Greece, and China. 1. These early inventions included mechanical birds, self-operating statues, and automaton toys. Industrial Revolution. 1. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries laid the foundation for modern robotics. 1. Developments in machinery and automation, such as textile mills and steam engines, set the stage for the automation of repetitive tasks. Early robotic inventions. 1. In the 20th century, significant advancements in robotics began to take place. 1. In 1921, Czech writer Karel Čapek introduced the term robot in his play R.U.R. Rossum's Universal Robots, which depicted humanoid machines. 2. In the 1940s and 1950s, notable robotic inventions emerged, including George de Waul's Animate, the first industrial robot used for handling and assembly tasks in manufacturing plants. 2. This invention revolutionized the manufacturing industry. Robotics in space exploration. 1. In the mid-20th century, robotics played a crucial role in space exploration. 1. The Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik in 1957 and subsequent space missions sparked the development of robotic spacecraft, including the Luna and Mars rovers. Robotics in industry. 1. The 1970s and 1980s witnessed significant advancements in industrial robotics. 1. Robots became more versatile, capable of performing complex tasks with improved precision and efficiency. 1. The introduction of computer numerical control, CNC, and programmable logic controllers, PLCs, further enhanced industrial automation. Mobile and service robots. 1. The late 20th century saw the emergence of mobile and service robots. 1. The development of robots for tasks such as vacuuming, e.g., Roomba, and entertainment, e.g., Sony's AIBO robot dog, introduced robotics into everyday life. Advancements in robotics. 1. In recent years, robotics has experienced remarkable progress. 1. This includes the development of advanced robotic prosthetics, surgical robots for minimally invasive procedures, and autonomous vehicles, paving the way for self-driving cars and drones. Collaborative robots, cobots. 1. The concept of collaborative robots, or cobots, gained prominence in the 2000s. 1. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans, assisting in tasks that require both human dexterity and robotic precision. 1. They have found applications in industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, and logistics. Emerging fields and future directions. 1. Robotics continues to evolve, with breakthroughs in fields like humanoid robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. 1. Researchers are exploring the integration of robots with AI to create intelligent, adaptive systems capable of learning from and interacting with humans. Applications of robotics. Robotics has found widespread applications across various industries, revolutionizing the way tasks are performed and opening up new possibilities. Here are some notable applications of robotics. Manufacturing and industrial automation. 1. Industrial robots are extensively used in manufacturing processes, performing tasks such as assembly, welding, painting, and material handling. 1. They increase productivity, precision, and efficiency while ensuring consistent quality. Healthcare. 1. Robotics has made significant contributions to healthcare, aiding in surgical procedures, patient care, and rehabilitation. 1. Surgical robots allow for precise and minimally invasive surgeries, reducing risks and improving outcomes. 1. Robotic exoskeletons assist in physical therapy and rehabilitation, helping patients regain mobility and strength. Logistics and warehousing. 1. Autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, and automated guided vehicles, AGVs, are employed in warehouses and distribution centers for tasks like inventory management, picking and packing, and goods transportation. 1. These robots optimize workflows, improve inventory accuracy, and increase operational efficiency. Agriculture. 1. Agricultural robots, also known as agrobots, are utilized in farming and crop management. 1. They can perform tasks such as seeding, planting, harvesting, and crop monitoring. 1. Agricultural robots enhance efficiency, reduce labor requirements, and enable precise application of resources, leading to improved crop yields. Space exploration. 1. Robotics plays a vital role in space exploration. 1. Robotic rovers like NASA's Mars rovers, such as Curiosity and Perseverance, are deployed to explore celestial bodies, collect data, and conduct experiments in environments too hazardous for humans. Hazardous environments. 1. Robots are employed in environments that are dangerous or inaccessible to humans. 1. For example, in nuclear power plants, robots can handle radioactive materials and perform inspections. 1. Similarly, in search and rescue missions, robots assist in locating and rescuing individuals in hazardous conditions. Entertainment and personal assistance. 1. Robots have found their way into entertainment and personal settings. 1. From robot companions and toys to interactive humanoid robots, they offer companionship, entertainment, and even educational experiences. Education and research. 1. Robotics is widely used in educational institutions to introduce students to STEM concepts and promote hands-on learning. 1. Educational robots provide a platform for experimentation and problem-solving, fostering creativity and critical thinking skills. Defense and security. 1. Military and security applications of robotics include bomb disposal robots, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for surveillance, and unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, for reconnaissance. 1. These robots help safeguard human lives by performing dangerous tasks in combat or hazardous situations.